Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. You know, where we talk about everything that's yarn and crochet related. And sometimes knit. So if you like that stuff, please subscribe. I think you'll have fun here. I just wanted to, I know it's summer. It's summer. Today's 8/5/2023 and I am wearing a cardigan. It's hot outside. It's not hot in my house, but it's hot outside. Anyways, I just want to show this cardigan. I got back, remember I commissioned out some knitted cardigans, and I did get this one back as well. So if the lady is watching, I wanted to show her how well it fits and what a good job she did. And she also included, look at what she put on it. It's a white rose brooch. I love brooches. I collect them. And my favorite flower is a white rose, so I think that is very, very thoughtful. All right, I'm gonna stand up and show you, but I gotta button my pants. I'm pretty real on here. I usually sit here with my pants unbuttoned. Wow. If you watch my live streams, you already know that. While I talk. All right, so this is what it looks now. It's not supposed to come all the way together. It's supposed to be like this, and there are no buttons on it. Look at that. Fine job she did on that. Perfect sleeves. This one fits me to a T. It's a little longer. I like them longer. I mean, it's not extremely long. I would show you, but I'm kind of short and I can't get up, but it's about even with the bottom of my bum, I guess. That's what you want to say. But yes, this cardigan was a Mary Maxim kit. It's knit. It's called the Easy Knit Jacket. And if you go to Mary Maxim, you'll see it in their kit. They got all different colors you can choose from. I chose the one that's shown in the picture. So if you go there, you'll see it. Looks like it's all sold out now. I don't know why, but it's made with their Titan yarn, that bulky 5 yarn. So it's really nice, and I love that she put that on there. So I did. If you're watching, thank you so much. Fits me perfect. Another one, cardigan to add to my collection. I will put your name on it, and I will always remember that you knitted this. Thank you very, very much, and for the other stuff that you sent. Very kind to think of my son and my daughter. I appreciate it. All right, so let's move on. So I'm going to show you a little bit of yarn today, okay? It's not really a lot. It's just some of it was new, and I wanted to show you. So first off, you know, if you know anything about Bagoday, Bagoday is not a fan of blanket yarn. I can use it, you know, but it's really not my favorite. But Bernat had this Bernat perfect phasing yarn, which is, you know, kind of like their Colorama halos. They call that perfect phasing as well. So look at that. I went with a very neutral black to gray. I thought this would make something very pretty. It's, you know, it feels like, it's just like blanket yarn if you've ever felt it. It's a bulky 6. They had a few colors to choose from, not like a wide variety. So I thought I would just stick to a neutral. I think maybe a blanket will be made out of this, and it'll probably go to one of my sons. More than likely my oldest, because his room is done in orange and black. So he'll probably like this, and it's super soft. But anyways, it's 100% polyester, 10.5 ounces, 300 grams, 220 yards, machine washable, dryable, and it's classified as a 6 weight. Like most of our blanket yarn. There it is. So, this one's called Deep Black. You know what? I don't even have it brought up. I'm not doing very good at being prepared. I think I was excited about the jacket. I've gotten 2 of the knitted ones back. I still have some crochet ones that need commissioned out. And I'm so excited to get them back, and I just didn't bring up the Joann's website real quick. Let me do it real quick. Okay, Joann's was having a sale at the time that I bought these. So these were only $8.99. Joann's has so many sales like all the time. I don't remember, it was 25% off, 30% off, 20% off. something like that. And then I left it in my cart, and they gave me an additional 20 or 25% off, I think. I don't know. Anyways, I got it for $8.99 a ball. Now, since I don't use blanket yarn, I wasn't certain how many it would take to make like a twin size or a throw size blanket. Maybe you guys can tell me, you know, if I use pretty basic stitches, you know, nothing extraordinary. I got 10 of these at 220 yards. Surely that would be plenty, because it's a nice bulky 6. Yeah, that would be enough. I could probably even throw some bobbles in there. I think I might. Yep. Beautiful. Love that one. Alright, so that'll be a blanket. It was just new, and like I said, I'm not a fan of blanket yarn. Not that I don't like it, it's just, I don't use it too often. But sometimes I do, and at that time I did. And then I got some more of the Colorama Perfect Phasing Halo. Colorama Halo. I'm making a poncho out of this at the moment. It's almost done. Not this color though, different color. Look at that one. This one's called Tin Tam. And I believe, I don't know what this is going to be. I just thought it was a pretty color. So this was a $11.99. That don't seem like it was on sale. I did get a discount though at the bottom there. I see I got like a lot of money off. So they did discount it somewhere. Somewhere on the bill it was discounted, because there's a discount there, and it was discounted, and then it was $1.95 to ship it. So hey, you can't beat that. So if you're not familiar with this, I have a review on this. I like this yarn a lot. It's a bulky 5. Very soft. It's got a little halo on it. The gradient effect is beautiful. That's why they do call it Perfect Phasing. I like it. 8 ounces, 227 grams. 71 acrylic, 18 nylon, 11 polyester, 481 yards, or 440 meters. So that'd be something pretty. What? I don't know. Hard telling. But I'm sure whatever it is, it's going to be pretty. I just wanted to get that color. I had this color, but I used it in the demo of the review. So I don't have it anymore. But yeah, I like it a lot. So I got that. That's not new to me. What else did I get? To tell you the truth, I didn't get much of anything. A couple new yarns. I should have took better advantage of that sale they were having. So I got this Lion brand ice cream yarn, which isn't new, but this, I do believe this is a new color. I don't know. It's new to me. I've never seen it before. Anyways, it's called, the color is called a Hokey Pokey. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Well, that's what it's all about. I like it. I like it. It's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 394 meters. But this is a lightweight number 3. Let's check out their 3-weight. Why don't we? That's a good 3-weight. You know, I like that. It's good classification right there. 100% acrylic. Or there's 394 yards or 360 meters of a lightweight 3. Machine washable and dryable, made in Turkey. Well, I think it's pretty. I think it's going to have a striping effect as short striping effect probably. Mediocre striping effect. Not long, not short. Just pretty. Just pretty. Bright and cheery for a baby blanket, bright and cheery for a toddler blanket, bright and cheery for an adult blanket, bright and cheery for anything. I like it a lot. So this one was that's what it's all about, $4.87. Oh, and I got an additional discount. I just don't know what the discount was. I can't remember. There's just like at the bottom it says discounts. So, but it was $4.87, and then I got a little cheaper with the discount. So I like that. What will it be? I don't know. What would you guys like to see with this beautiful yarn? Hokey Pokey. I'll quit singing if you guys tell me what it should be in the comments section. I won't sing anymore. And not this video anyways. Try not to. Sometimes it just comes out. Sometimes it just comes out. Alright, then I got this, which isn't new, but it was a color that I'd never seen before. Doesn't mean that it's not. It doesn't mean that it's new. It just means that Bagoday never seen it. Sometimes I don't keep up on the new yarn colors and I get them late. This is the Ice Cream Roving Divigation, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with. It's their ice cream yarn, but it's roving style. I do have tutorials made out of this. Not this color, of course, because like I said, I'd never seen this color before, and I thought it was very, very pretty. I like the blue that goes to kind of the light icy blue. I don't know what it reminds me of. Something icy. What's the name of it? Blueberry pie? Well, it don't really remind me of blueberry pie, but it reminds me of something icy. It's very soft. It's very pretty. I've always liked this yarn because it's the roving style there, that one plicey. So they classify this as 4-weight, you know, but as with roving, it does go from thick to thin. That's the nature of the roving. So you'll hit some thicker spots and you'll hit some thinner spots. Should level out though to be about a 4-weight yarn. Roving is my favorite style yarn. Did I tell you the specs? 7 ounces, 200 grams, 437 yards or 400 meters, 100% acrylic. Sorry about my clock. It's always a chiming. It's either the clock a chiming or the dog a barking or both. I don't know. This is machine wash and tumble dry. Love it. I think it's beautiful. And I think for the amount of yardage you get in one of these, it's really not a bad price. It was $8.99. That could have been a regular price. I don't know. But anyways, I did get a discount. I think I got a 25% discount. I think I put it in my cart and left, and then they sent me that email saying, hey, come back, buy this, and I will give you 25% off. So that's what I did. It's so squishy. What will I make with it? I don't know. I bought it for something. I just don't remember. My memory will be jogged eventually. Okay, now I only have one more yarn to show you because it's not new, but they finally got new colors of it in. Finally, they got new colors. So this is Joann's brand, the Big Twist. It's their heather yarn. Now, they only had like 3 colors for like forever it was like 3 colors. I like it, but I'm sick of the same 3 colors. Well, they got some new colors in. Now, they had a red. I really wanted it. But of course, it was sold out at the time that I bought this. So, I went with the pink. It's pretty. It's a nice yarn. It's a nice value acrylic. Joann's Big Twist value yarn is not a bad value yarn. It's not my #1 favorite value yarn acrylic. Premier Basics is my favorite value acrylic. But this would be run up for second for a lot of them. I have no problem with it. I've used it quite a bit in many tutorials. It's 380 yards, 6 ounces, 347 meters, 170 grams. It's a medium weight #4. And as you can see, this is the pink color, or rose. It's called rose. There's our 4-weight. It has a little washed heather look to it. You know, I like this a lot. I don't know. I was thinking it was going to be a little darker than this. I'm not complaining though. I'm going to use it. It's still very pretty. I'm going to wait out for that red though. I might go look later and see if it's on there. Because like I said, I waited forever for them to come out with new colors because they only had like black and blue and then gray forever. And then all of a sudden I look and they got new colors. And then the one I wanted, the red, was gone. Or it wasn't available or something. I don't know. But it is $4.61 a ball. And they still don't have the red today at the making of the video. I will get that red. I want the red. It's very pretty. Out of all their new colors, the red was my favorite. It's just out of stock. Not sold in any nearby stores. So, but this one's very pretty. It feels like their other value yarns. I like it. So that was it on the Joann's. That's it. I didn't get a lot in the Joann's. I don't know why, because they were having a good sale. But whatever. So, what do you guys think? I said I would quit singing. I think I did. If you tell me what I should make with this. I got enough to make something bigger if I want. Or, you know, I'm always into the smaller projects too. I want to see it worked up. I got a poncho on the hook. Some blankets to put out. Shawl to put out. You know, at the making of the video. Which is 8/5. I probably already told you that. So, if you're watching it later, you know, the stuff's probably already on YouTube. But, what do you think it should be? No sweaters. I wouldn't make a sweater out of this. I mean, not me personally, but or any type of clothing probably. So I guess that don't leave much of anything to choose from, does it? I'll think of something. Anyways, so that's all I got from Joann's. I just wanted to show you guys. It's short and sweet, but I do like it all. I'm pretty excited to see that big blanket yarn worked up. That's gonna make a pretty blanket, I think. Yeah, my son will want that. It'll match his bedroom, and it's pretty anyways. So I'm gonna go and think about what I'm gonna make with some of these yarns here. I actually do have an idea for a few of them. The other ones I have no idea, but it'll come to me when it comes to me, and if it doesn't, then I'll just give the yarn to my neighbor. I just like to look at yarns, you know, buy them and look at them, and especially new colors and new yarns in general. I just like to look at them and touch them. That's it. And again, a big shout out to the one who knitted this. Just to let you know, it does fit perfect. Like it a lot. You did a wonderful job, and I appreciate it. So I will see you guys on my next video, whatever it might be. Alright, thanks for watching. Short and sweet. Didn't have a lot to show today. Maybe next time though. Alright, bye guys. Take care.